Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need two things up front: the correct OS build and a safe settings backup. Once those are confirmed, open Settings and go straight to Control Center. Make sure you have Appearance or Developer Access enabled so color options appear. Now locate the Color or Accent section. This is where changes happen. Begin by creating or selecting a sample preset to preview. That avoids committing to a full system-wide change. While you work, keep a note of original values so you can revert. You'll now make the detailed adjustments. Pick manual RGB or HSL for precision, or use a preset palette to speed things up. Move intensity and transparency sliders slowly, because small steps change readability. Adjust contrast to keep icons visible. Once done, toggle dark and light modes to judge legibility across themes and screen brightness levels. Make sure to test on multiple displays if available, since calibration varies. If you need exact matches, use hex codes or sampled color. Apply the final settings and test the control center under normal use for several minutes. Open apps and quick settings to confirm consistency. If something looks off, revert to your saved backup or reset accent settings so you don't lose accessibility. Once done, make sure to lock or save the preset to prevent accidental changes. Troubleshooting tip: if previews or changes do not apply, restart the UI process or clear the display cache. That forces a redraw and fixes most refresh issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.